I shall be presenting another soldering station that I'm making. This is the 45E model, and it is compatible with the JBC C245 cartridge. It is a very small soldering station, and that's because it uses an external power source. The device has been designed for the extreme or very competent user who needs full control, so there are no supplemental function, there is no automatic function, and absolutely nothing is locked. So that can be a blessing if you really know what you're doing, but it can also be a curse, as you're not far away from destroying or burning a cartridge if you do something wrong. Connecting the device is straightforward. You have one socket for the handpiece, and there is a second one for the power source, and also you can lock the handpiece with the attached screw here. I am using a high impedance cartridge, so I cranked up the voltage to 20 volts. The advice is to be initially attentive at the readings of volts, amps, and watts for just a couple of seconds or something like that. And then we shall discuss the soldering station itself. So I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see now, it's 0.4 watts consumption. And focusing on the soldering station, you see the LED which monitors the energizing state of the load, and the rotary knob, which is a potentiometer. If we go with the trimming lower, you can see that it stops injecting energy. If we go higher, it will give a high power impulse for just a while, and then will resume the normal function of the thermostat.